Morning and happy birthday to me. Welcome to Disneyland Paris Day 1. We're park hopping a lot today. We're going into the actual main park first, doing a few of the rides, getting some champagne.
Oh my lord.
And then we're going into the Disney Studios park to do that, and then we're going to go back in the normal park to watch the fireworks. We're Disneylanding today, in case you couldn't tell. Obviously I'm Disneylanding as Loki. Tora is making the bed, is Disneylanding as 4. So we're like, sisters doing it. So yeah, let's go. Go on then. Guys, look at this incredibly cute little poncho. I need to know where this is from so I can get one for Bruce. We're on Hyperspace Mountain as the first ride of the night. It's gonna be fun. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with my bag. Or my camera. I'll figure it out. He's got Grogu and he's facing them, just waiting for him to turn back. Where's the Grogu? Where's the Grogu? Dang! Oh my god, he's moving. Oh my god, that is the cutest thing. Victoria, 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 Victoria. Got it! Okay. The cart weren't there, but we went into Victoria's, which is where that video.
My house.
Went into Victoria's Homestyle restaurant. And we got it in there. And I thought they give you the glass ones in there, but they don't. They're still plastic. But either way, it's fun because now we have I've had 3 glasses of these now, but we're just gonna go into Disney Studios. You need to tear it out. There she is in all her beauty and grace.
That is a she.
I like to think of her as a she.
Because she angry and she mad.
She's angry no one's cleaned her. They do new costumes for the Spider-Bot. You can get Captain America, Black Panther. There's the tactical one. What did you see Captain Marvel? That's Iron Man.
I've done it.
What? Did you just splash it back on your face? That's Iron Man.
Captain Marvel's done it.
Oh, I thought that was a tactical one. With these champagne flutes, once it gets to the stem, if you pull it back too far, it will splash in your face. I did tell Tora that and she didn't listen. So she just got champagne all over her face.
Allez viens mon frère, ne sois pas timide. Monte du chemin.
Oh, please, if it's not as enthusiastic as some short-sighted followers.
Ne sois pas amer comme ça. Il se peut même que certains d'entre eux soient sensibles à tes charmes. Enfin, on peut appeler ça comme ça. D'ailleurs, est-ce qu'il y a des fans de mon frère Loki parmi vous? Do we have any fans of my brother Loki? Ah, tu vois, il y en a même certains qui adhèrent des malices.
Truly the better of your kind. You know when you're in the presence of greatness, right? Because after all, I'm a god!
C'est bon, c'est terminé?
Yes, I'm done.
Parfait. Passons aux choses sérieuses. Nous allons mettre à l'épreuve votre honneur et votre mérite. Nous recherchons forts et des courageux. Qui, parmi vous, n'a pas peur? Who amongst you is brave and strong? Toi, tu n'as pas peur, je guerrier? Bien, rejoins-moi. Dis-moi, quel est ton nom? Your name, yes. Aiden. Where do you come from, Aiden? Oh, Pastor, I don't know this kingdom. Bienvenue down. Voici Aiden, royaume de Pastor. Vous pouvez l'encourager. Mon frère, j'ai choisi mon candidat. À toi de choisir le tien.
Finally, I am Loki of Asgard! And who amongst you is also burdened? The glorious purpose. Any volunteers? That would be very easy. Well. Okay. Good. I know. What's your name? Kimberly. Well, Kimberly, that doesn't instill much fear, I'm afraid. Let's go use Kimberly.
Alors moi, je vais dire...
Help me, everyone! Kimberly!
Bref, vous avez tous dû bien le lire. Mon marteau légendaire.
Here we go again.
Puissant, impressionnant, forgé à partir d'un métal spécial issu du cœur d'une étoile mourante. Au nom de mon père,
Our Father.
notre père me l'a confié il y a bien longtemps. Et il me l'a confié à moi, à Loki.
Nice memories. Thank you, brother.
Avec plaisir. Et il m'a bien dit que quiconque possède ce marteau et le tient entre ses mains, si il est vertueux, possédera les pouvoirs de Thor. Whosoever holds this hammer will be worthy shall possess the power of Thor. Mon frère et moi allons vous défier en posant 2 questions. We are going to challenge you with 2 questions. Vos réponses détermineront si vous êtes digne de pouvoir soulever Mjolnir. Do you agree to this challenge?
Say yes. Great.
Parfait. First question for you, my friend. What good deeds have you done for people? That's it. Did you help them? Ah, tu as le cœur pur, alors tout comme moi.
Okay, let's get on with
Nous avons
it.
la chance d'avoir de jeunes...
Brother! My turn. Skidman, your question. Who is your favorite as guardian? And ponder the question carefully. The correct answer is obviously Loki, of course. Very good, Skidman, very good. Like it was never in doubt, after all, brother.
And there is you. Last question for you. D'où puisses-tu ta force intérieure? Where do you find your inner strength? In your heart, your muscles, in your mind? In your heart. I knew it. You are very arrogant. L'exemplarité est digne de la confiance. Peuple limité, vous pouvez l'encourager. Il a bien mérité.
Brother, you're always so dramatic. Alright, Kymmie, one more chance. Don't waste it. Do you pledge your allegiance to Loki? Yes or yes? Fantastic, very good.
C'est parfait. Et maintenant, voyons voir si on est digne. Let's try to lift Mjolnir. Voyons voir. Kymmie, you're first. Come closer to the Holy Stone. Take Mjolnir at the base and lift it.
Brother, my challenger, my rules. Kymmie, come back. Now you can move. Lift it.
To the sky.
Come on. With your knees, you have to use your knees, Kymmie. Or use the crocodile or something. Never mind. Just let me do it.
Be careful, young warrior. Well, use your knees, you know.
Give me the crocodile. With you, help me. Come on.
Allez, tu t'aimes, mon père, tu t'aimes. Ta négativité n'a clairement pas aidé ta candidature. Ah, attendez, à moins que... Il est bougé?
Oh, I knew it.
Non, évidemment. Sorry, Kymmie, you're brave, of course. But you picked the wrong team. Now you can go, Kymmie. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Kymmie. Thank you. For nothing.
Young warrior, it's your turn now. Show us. Take Mjolnir and lift it. Again. Again. Stop. Parodin. Cette fois-ci, il a bougé.
No, we did not move.
Si, il a bougé, mon frère.
Certainly not.
Il a bougé.
No.
Si,
No.
no, no. Il a bougé exactement comme Steve Rogers.
No, I did not see anything, brother.
Tu n'étais tout simplement pas assez attentif, mon cher frère.
Of course, I wasn't paying attention.
Tu sais, jeune guerrier, j'étais bien plus vieux que toi quand j'ai appris que j'étais digne de pouvoir soulever Mjolnir pour la première fois. Peuple de Midgard, c'est une journée dont on se souviendra pour l'éternité, car aujourd'hui, vous êtes tous et tous des vikings de l'espace. Play your own space. Really?
He started.
Space Vikings. Et maintenant, que tout le monde brandisse son marteau laser. Raise your hands in there. Allez-y, toi aussi, je vais regarder. Look at me. Just like that. Yes. Quiconque tient ses marteaux et ne triche pas avec son cœur sera digne de posséder pour une courte durée les pouvoirs de Thor. You shall possess for a little time only the power of Thor. Young warrior, come with me, please. You will play again, okay? But this time, think about all your good deeds, okay? And more important, use your heart. Are you ready? Okay. Show us.
take your knee and lift it.
Vas-y, tu peux le faire. Oui! Oui, I knew it! Tu as vu ça, mon frère?
Yeah, amazing.
Viens, rejoins-moi, je vais cahier. Et immortalisons ce moment tous ensemble.
Good man. Come back. Don't worry, I am not disappointed.
Vous pouvez les applaudir encore une fois tous les deux, ils l'ont bien mérité. Merci beaucoup. Et maintenant, pour bien dire, là, you can go. Thank you.
Goodbye, good man. And happy birthday.
Ah, bien dire. Mon frère a toujours rêvé dans la cuisine.
Very funny.
Chers amis, il est temps de partir.
Finally.
Ce fut formidable de passer ce moment tous ensemble et vous serez toujours les bienvenus sur Asgard. And don't forget, be strong and never surrender. Restez fort et n'abandonnez jamais. Et le plus important, c'est la famille.
And her birthday.
Firework! It was an honor!
I'm so happy.
Are you crying right now?
No, I nearly am. It's like the best birthday ever.
What's your name?
Kymmie. Rude.
Was that fun?
Oh my god, that was the best time of my life. I can die happy now. I'm joking. Okay, I'm on cloud 9 right now, and there's nothing that can ruin my mood now. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, that's my score. That one's Victoria's score. This is our combined score. So me, Victoria. We'll ignore these two because they're obviously useless. But yeah, we smashed that.
That's your face. This your nostrils.
It's the best birthday ever. Oh, today's your birthday? Yeah. Oh my god, happy birthday!
It's coming.
Hello, welcome human. Please enter and don't make me wait.
I would never.
I see that you appreciate me.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
You're my favourite.
I know. The one who don't like me are them.
Yeah, that's my sister. She doesn't. She's more of a fan of your brother.
Well, stay on the side.
Yeah.
Tell me, why are you here today, Antonio?
Because it's my birthday.
And you wanted the best present ever. My
Exactly.
present.
It is the best present ever.
Excellent. I know. Well, I appreciate the dress.
Thank you.
Excellent. Now, show me your potential like this. Wow. Try to cast a spell. Wow. And like that. Awesome. You want to know why am I here?
Yes.
Because I heard that the Avengers were searching for new recruits.
Right,
And
okay.
I thought it was the perfect place to come and send them some recruits.
Okay.
So, do you think it's a good plan?
Yeah, if you think it's a good plan.
It is.
Okay.
Excellent. Now, your turn.
No. This is all about her. It's her
Is she trying
birthday.
a joke? Yeah, you're trying a joke. Come here.
Okay. Wait. I was not prepared for this.
Don't move.
Ah. Guys, look, it's me. Gusto's. So is he only 3 stars? He's only a 3-star restaurant. I don't think that's very, is that how many Michelin stars he's got? Is he meant to be 5 and there's the light bulbs are broken? I don't know. That's it! Oh, ready! They just brought a massive pretzel to the table. There's colouring on the table, but I don't have a crown, and I'm really upset that I don't have a crown. What's that? Oh, that's rosé. Wine of the moment. Okay, I'm gonna try some of this pretzel. I mean, there's no sauce with it, so it's quite dry. so dry. What the hell?
I'm sure it said this is ribeye, herb crusted, Caesar salad, corn dog. I've never tried one.
I love corn dogs.
This is a breaded chicken wing. This is a burger, although it has cheese in, I wouldn't be amazed. Then got my french fries.
The tiniest french fries in existence.
Plain pasta and bread roll.
Have a look then. We've got ice cream with toppings. There is some pasta, some nuggets, some rice, burgers, salad. Oh my goodness, there's jelly. There's little wraps. Oh my gosh. There's like a salad bar. I'm loving this. Look at the sauces. You have to pick them up for the, oh my gosh. Gosh? I won't say gosh and say gush. Where's that blue stuff? I need to know. Little salads, there's prawns. And then over here, it's a jumbo pretzel. And then that's the ribeye that Victoria's got. And then this side is all your sauces. And your desserts. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Look at this one. That's cool. And then over here, oh, Madeleines. We love a Madeleine. We love a Madeleine. Red velvet cake. Love it. Yeah. Drinks arrived while I was getting the thing. But look how cute these are. You do get to take these home, and they give you a clean one to take home. But I'm really happy about that. And Victoria's has come up like this. That's really cool. I've got a burger, salad, fries, pasta, and this is a breaded cauliflower. I really want to try it. Tori had corn dogs, so I found them, and I've got some jambalaya as well. It's funny because this looks like your mouse oven. This fanstorm. Do you reckon that spins? Nope. Like that. Look, it's got the logo to the side of it. Okay, so hello. We just did Tower Terror again. That was really fun. I really like Tower Terror here, but oh, let me zoom out. You don't want to be that zoomed into my face. I do think they're going to change it to Guardians, which I'm not mad about because it works here if they change that to Guardians. Do you agree?
It was a bit of a weird storyline, to be fair.
Yeah, it's a bit different here, but yeah, I think they probably will change that to Guardians soon. We did the parachute drop and we was able to see the new expansion, which is really cool. It looks great. The castle's up, the Arendelle Castle. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it. So yeah, we're just heading back over to actual Disneyland now, and we're going to do some more rides over there and wait till the fireworks. So yeah, having the best birthday ever so far. Back in the main park, yeah. For the evening, Tori's put a jacket on because she's cold. Do a dance. I personally don't think it's that cold, to be honest. It's quite nice. It's a bit muggy, and there's a breeze, but it's not a cold breeze.
I wouldn't say that cold. You've only got hardly any clothes on you.
Oh, she has got hardly any clothes on today, to be fair. But I have got my jacket in case I need it, but I'm not putting it on yet. So we're going back into the main park, more rides. It's a small world included. And yeah.
I'm having the best birthday.
Hi, just checking in. I've had the camera in my bag. We've just been on and off of rides, and I can't film on the rides. So yeah, we have got margaritas.
Margarita!
We're just drinking them, and then we're going to go on Pirates.
Oh, that's beautiful.
know a lot of people hate this ride, but I personally loved it, so. Hold my boobs.
Oh no! Running out of power.
Oh no. Oh. Tourist driving. It's going to take us about 1 million hours to get where we're going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Kimberly.
Kymmie. Happy birthday to you. Wish you happy birthday.
Yeah. Train.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to family. Happy birthday to you.
That was great. Hey!
And too many more.
That was it was a good day. We are absolutely exhausted. I was in the park for 14 hours. It's, what time is it now?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock in the morning currently. We're just gonna finish our drinks and go to bed. But we're not rushing in tomorrow, we're just chilling. But definitely ready for bed. So, see you tomorrow. See you, cheese!